Ever pondered over the significance of a peace pipe in Native American culture? Such a simple object, yet so deeply imbued with meaning and tradition, the peace pipe, known also as the ceremonial pipe, calumet, or chanunpa, is a cornerstone of indigenous spirituality and community. The peace pipe is not a mere artifact, but a sacred ceremonial object. It's a vessel of unity, a conduit of shared experiences and wisdom among various indigenous nations, including many Native American tribes. It's a bridge that connects the physical and spiritual realms, a tangible embodiment of the intangible ties that bind us all. Imagine the scene. A gathering of individuals, each with their own stories, their own perspectives, their own unique connection to the world around them. In their midst, the peace pipe, an object of reverence, a symbol of their shared heritage and values. As the pipe is passed from hand to hand, it's not just an object that's being shared but a piece of each person's spirit, a collective affirmation of harmony and unity. The peace pipe is an instrument of communication, a means to express respect, gratitude, and understanding. It's a tool through which indigenous people articulate their relationship with the natural world and the spiritual realm. It's a conduit for prayers, for blessings, and for words of gratitude. The peace pipe is a symbol of interconnectedness, reminding us of our place within the larger tapestry of life. It's a testament to the belief of indigenous people in the intrinsic unity of all existence, the delicate balance between the physical and the spiritual, the individual and the collective. So when you think of the peace pipe, see it not just as an object, but as a living embodiment of a rich and vibrant culture. Understand its role as a sacred ceremonial object, a symbol of unity, and a testament to the profound spiritual and cultural importance it holds among various indigenous nations. A symbol of unity, the peace pipe holds a profound place in indigenous cultures. It's a remarkable testament to the resilience, wisdom, and spiritual depth of Native American tribes and indeed, all indigenous nations. The peace pipe, an ancient symbol of unity, but where did it originate? Our journey takes us back to the dawn of indigenous traditions. Legends whisper of a time when the peace pipe was not a mere object but a divine gift, a precious offering from the Creator to the people. Embodied in its humble form is a profound philosophy, a worldview that recognizes and celebrates the interconnectedness of all life. Every element, every creature, every soul is part of a larger tapestry, woven together in an intricate dance of existence. The peace pipe serves as a tangible reminder of this interconnectedness, a symbol that resonates with the heartbeat of the universe. But the peace pipe is more than a symbol. It is a sacred tool, a spiritual conduit that bridges the gaps between individuals and tribes, between the earthly realm and the ethereal. It's an instrument of harmony, a beacon of unity that illuminates the path towards understanding and communication. Imagine a world where words are not merely spoken, but carried on the smoke of sacred herbs. A world where understanding is not just intellectual, but deeply spiritual. A world where communication is not a one-way street, but a circular journey that embraces all aspects of existence, both seen and unseen. This is the world that the peace pipe invites us to enter, a world that transcends the limitations of our ordinary senses and takes us into the heart of the divine. The peace pipe, therefore, is not just a relic of the past, but a living testament to a timeless wisdom. It is a mirror that reflects the harmony of the universe, a compass that guides us towards unity and understanding. It is a sacred key, unlocking the doors to a deeper connection with ourselves, with others, and with the world around us. As we delve deeper into the mystery of the peace pipe, let us remember its origins, its purpose, and its enduring significance. Let us honor its sacred role in fostering unity, promoting understanding, and facilitating communication. A gift from the Creator, the peace pipe is a beacon of unity and understanding. As we journey forward, may we carry its wisdom in our hearts and its spirit in our actions. The peace pipe ceremony, an ancient ritual, but what does it entail? Picture a gathering of individuals united in purpose and intention, engaging in a ceremony that transcends time and space. This is the peace pipe ceremony, a solemn and sacred ritual among indigenous communities. At the heart of this ceremony is the sharing and smoking of tobacco. But this isn't your everyday tobacco. This is a mixture of natural tobacco, herbs, or other ceremonial plants, each selected for its symbolic meaning. Some may represent healing, others may symbolize peace, and yet others might embody strength or wisdom. The exact blend is often a closely guarded secret, passed down through generations, imbued with the wisdom of the ancestors. As the pipe is lit, the smoke rises, carrying the prayers and intentions of the participants upwards to the Creator. This isn't just a physical act, but a spiritual one as well, a tangible connection between the earthly and the divine. As participants take turns puffing on the pipe, they pass it in a clockwise direction. This isn't a random choice, but a deliberate act of honoring the four cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. This act acknowledges the interconnectedness of all things and the cyclical nature of life. But the ceremony is more than just smoking a pipe. It's a time of prayer and offering. Prayers are said, not just for the individuals present, but for their communities, their ancestors, and all of creation. Offerings might be made, tokens of gratitude for the blessings received, and petitions for continued guidance and protection. And amid all this, there is a sense of communal bonding. It's a time of reflection and healing, a moment to put aside differences and focus on what unites us. It's a reminder of our shared humanity, our shared journey on this earthly plane. The Peace Pipe Ceremony, a ritual of reflection, healing, and communal bonding. It's a testament to the wisdom of the ancients, a timeless tradition that continues to resonate in our modern world. The Peace Pipe, an ancient tradition, but how does it fit into the modern world? In the hustle and bustle of the 21st century, the Peace Pipe holds steadfast as a beacon of unity and tranquility. Indigenous communities across North America continue to honor this sacred tradition, using it as a tool to foster harmony and spiritual connection. In a world that often seems fraught with division, the Peace Pipe serves as a powerful symbol of unity. It reminds us of our shared humanity, fostering understanding and compassion among individuals and communities. Moreover, the Peace Pipe plays an essential role in preserving cultural heritage. It's a living testament to the rich history and spiritual beliefs of indigenous nations, a tangible link to the past that continues to shape the present. As we move forward, the Peace Pipe stands as a testament to the enduring power of tradition, a symbol of peace that transcends time and culture. An enduring symbol, the Peace Pipe continues to promote unity and spiritual connection in the modern world. So what have we learned about the Peace Pipe? It's an ancient symbol gifted by the Creator, fostering harmony and understanding. Through sacred rituals, the Peace Pipe links individuals, tribes, nature, and the spiritual realm. The Peace Pipe, a symbol of unity, understanding, and spiritual connection, continues to be a significant part of indigenous cultures.